Hello everyone, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can add or remove a Google account on OPPO Find X6. So first, go to settings and then scroll down until you see system and update. Now click on the Google settings right here, click on Google and click sign in to your Google account. Now here, give your mail, and now your password. Now as you can see, who will be using this device? Select I will be using this device if it's for you, and my child if it's for your children. Now click next, click I agree, and now scroll and select accept. As you can see, now we have added a Google account to our OPPO Find X6, and here is how we can remove it. Click on manage your Google account. Now click on the mail right here and click manage accounts on this device. Now click the account that you want to delete and click those three dots right here and click remove account. Click it again, click OK, and now you need to verify that it's you. And as you can see, our account is no longer in here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.